Today I'm going to show you a little bit about our new on-scanner tablet registration and how scans being registered in the field can really improve your overall visualization of what you have scanned. So there's a new icon on our file manager page that looks a little bit like a crosshair reticule, and that is our register button. So rather than register in this view, I'm going to show you in 3D how our scans are quite misaligned. So you can see there each scan is now a different colour, and we've got quite a bit of misalignment in this main high wall. So all scans on screen now will be registered if I click this icon on the right hand side, and it's essentially running multiple passes of our global registration algorithm, although it's been heavily optimised and runs beautifully on the tablet. So that took less than 10 seconds and has registered 7 scans quite beautifully. These 7 scans can be transferred right off and be used straight into Point Studio as is for modelling, creating surfaces, volumes, and of course geological and geotechnical feature extraction.